Alright, so Carnival has the taste of Spain. We're gonna get some paella. See how it turns out. Looks good. $6.99. Alright, not bad. This is actually was $5.24 once my discount hit in. So that's a good amount of food there. Shrimp, rice, there's some sausage in there.
Yeah, peas.
Yep. Alright.
All right, so Dan,
It's good.
this is what we thought of it.
Yeah, it's gone. You get 2 shrimp, but then there's like, what was that, chicken, and then there was sausage, peppers.
I like the peas. They give it like a nice
Peas
little
and
pop
rice,
in
yeah.
it. And a
Has good
sweetness.
flavor.
Yeah.
All the kids tried it, they liked it, so it wasn't just us.
Yep. Winner.
That one was good. All right, so we are at the Germany booth, and we're probably gonna get a few of these. Definitely the pretzel bites and the schnitzel slider for sure. All right, here we go. These are the displays. That's the schnitzel slider. Currywurst, which looked okay, but it was different. And then I think they normally always sell turkey legs here and bacon on a stick, which looks amazing. All right, the food is here. So this is a chicken schnitzel sandwiched by 2 potato pancakes with sauerkraut, and that has to be probably some sort of sour cream. Yep. And then the pretzel bites, which just look a little more like maybe fancier than a normal pretzel bite.
Yeah.
I don't think there's much to it, but I think that
The cheese.
sauce is where it's going to be at.
Yeah.
So these 2 combined came up to $11.24 after my discount. There's the dunk. Is it hot?
That's good cheese.
Beer
sauce.
cheese or?
It's a beer cheese.
It's a beer cheese?
It's similar to what they have at the Miami River Brewing, but like a elevated.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Good.
Whoever came up with this idea, I want to just thank them now. It is a schnitzel sandwich by potato pancakes with sauerkraut.
The schnitzel looks really crispy too. Looks really well cooked.
I was wanting to try.
This is German heaven in a boat. So good.
Good. All right,
Are you
Daniel.
filming me like licking the bowl?
I am. Final thoughts on the schnitzel sandwich.
That was the best. 10 out of 10.
Pretzels. Crowd
Pretzels
flavor.
are, yeah, I'm fine with pretzels.
Yeah.
The pretzels you can get anywhere. You
We
can't,
might be getting another schnitzel sandwich.
you
though
can't
before
get
we
that
leave.
sandwich anywhere.
No, you can't. I don't.
Kings Island Carnival. Pretty cool. They really decorate up the main street. A bunch of, yep. So we have already hit up Spain. We've hit up Germany. 2 really, really good spots. Now we're gonna hit up what Noah, I think, is most excited about, which is the Italian fair. And what are you looking for? The lasagna fritta? That's like deep fried lasagna right there. I think that's what we're going for.
Yeah,
All right?
all 3 I'm looking at.
All 3 look good, but we're only doing 1 probably. All right. All right, in Italy they have lasagna fritas, which is basically deep fried lasagna, I believe. So
How can you go wrong?
It's probably going to be delicious. I went ahead and got 2 because even though these guys had pizza, they've been having a lot of my Carnival booths. So, all right.
Yeah, and we got pizza.
Go ahead and we'll cut into them and see how they are.
Daddy.
All right, reactions, guys. Noah,
Delicious.
thoughts? Abby, what was your thoughts?
I loved it.
It was delicious.
Simon,
You have another.
what are your feelings
I
on it?
loved
Are you sure?
It's like all the best parts of lasagna, just deep fried.
I think Micah was the only one who didn't like it.
Sauce is really good.
Yeah,
This
the
is
sauce is
another winner. For
Winner.
2 orders of these, it was $10.48 after my discount.
Wow. That's like one
Simon!
Italy item.
All right, so final thoughts.
It was good.
Oh, very good.
It was good. I wish the sauce was on the side so the whole piece was crispy. The sauce is very good. The lasagna is very good. But the part that was in the sauce got soggy by the end.
I didn't mind it.
We found out there were carrots in the sauce, and it adds like a
Carrots.
really nice sweetness.
Yep, it's not just the regular La Rosa sauce. It's a homemade
Good.
sauce. It is good. And I think all the kids enjoyed this one too.
Yep.
It was a win.
Very.
Italy's good. Man,
Ah.
Spain was great, was good. I think
was
Germany was great, and I think Italy is great.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
All
The
right.
other 2 things were pretty just like ordinary Italian things. There was a piadina
Yeah.
and a cannoli.
Yep. These are
Yeah.
fantastic. All right, moving on.
Yes.
All right, we are at the French
We
Pavilion.
have
I guess it's a pavilion, I don't know.
we have the Lachlet. That was Florence cheese.
So, all right.
And Marmite crepe.
We will see. I'm probably guessing it's going to be the cheese bread, but we'll
Raclette.
find out. More fun. You got people on stilts over there. And then there's going to be a big parade and a fireworks show too.
And is that all for you?
Yep, that'll be it. All right, so we have our cheese bread from France and a show. So we'll eat it and let you know. Looks good. All right, so it's hard to mess up bread, cheese, and all that, but this is probably just okay. It's not terrible.
I wanted to love it more than I did.
Yeah, it's not the greatest. It ended up being $7.48 after discount. I would pass on this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so France was a bust. And we are going to the last one for the night, which is the China Delights. And they are supposed to have smoked duck fried rice, which I think is what we're gonna try. And I don't know, we might try the beef bao buns. We'll find out. So this will be the last one. We'll let you know how good it is. So we did the China Delights. We did the smoked duck fried rice and the beef bao bun. With my discount, $12.49 for both of them. All right, so here's our Chinese selection. I will say that that's probably the smallest container and smallest portion we did see, and they are one of the more expensive ones that we had. Yep, so it's duck and it's a beef bao bun. So we'll see how it is. Okay, so now we need to recap the whole event with the food.
Yes.
And I think we should maybe go our least favorite
Okay.
to the best thing we had.
Okay.
All right, so my least favorite was France.
France.
Yeah.
Mine was too. I hate to say that. maybe we just selected wrong. Maybe we should have chosen one of the crepe options. I feel like if we'd gotten the sweet crepe, it probably would have been a winner, but
I don't know. When I saw the crepes that they had on display, I didn't think they looked
I didn't even see them. But the bread just did not look like it looked in the picture. It didn't even taste good for being a garlic bread.
It wasn't cut thinly or evenly. One was super thin, one was thick. And didn't you say that it was supposed to have basil on it? And that was spinach.
Arugula, and it was spinach. And the cheese was, like, it was supposed to be a melty cheese, but it was almost like it had congealed back.
Yeah.
But, like, the spread underneath was cold. It was weird.
Yeah. That wasn't that great.
No.
All right. So after that, I think it gets a lot more difficult.
Yeah.
I think my next one for me would probably be China.
I was going back and forth between China and Italy.
Yeah. That was close.
China, the fried rice was good. I didn't really get duck flavor from it.
No.
But the beef bao was really good.
Beef bao was a good bite.
I really liked it, but it was very expensive for the amount that you got.
I was about to say, if you look at what you got and the cost, I would do Italy again over China.
And Italy was good. I mean,
it was really good.
Was it like super creative or unique?
No, but they put all the goodness in one plate.
But it was good. The sauce was very good for being a theme park sauce.
Yep.
It was better than anything from the Italy booth in any of the Epcot festivals, I feel like.
Sure. Yeah, for sure.
But,
all right. Hey. And then my second place was Spain.
Yeah. My second place was Spain, too. Yeah.
So I think that the Spain rice or paella is a better value, for sure, no doubt, than over the duck fried rice.
Yeah, as
China.
a season pass holder, you got that big boat of rice for less than $6.
Yeah, and it was flavorful.
It was flavorful. It was filling. It had a lot of meat in it.
3 different types of meat. There was like chicken and shrimp and
it just
sausage.
Tasted fresh too.
Yep, it was really good. Yeah. And by far the best bite, the best dish was in Germany.
Yeah.
And it was that schnitzel slider with the potato pancake buns and sauerkraut. Delish. Chef's kiss.
I'm waiting on you to try to recreate it at home.
Us. All right. Overall, I thought the food was really good. I can see, like, if you're expecting to get a full portion size for your meal, that's not what it is. No. It's smaller bites.
But they were decent portions.
And they were all good. They were all pretty good, except like I said, we wouldn't do France.
Yeah.
But it was a nice treat. I didn't think it was gonna be that good. So pleasant surprise.
Yeah.
Great job, Kings Island.
Good job.
experiences, together we reflect on our day here at King